Hello students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am here to explain physics assignment related to the topic refractive index. Let us see question number 1. Refractive index of glass is 1.5. If the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, find the velocity of light in that particular medium. Okay, the given values are refractive index of glass. So that you can write mu z, or you can write it as n also. Okay, so mu z is equal to 1.5 and the speed of light in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It is represented with the letter c. So c is nothing but speed of light in vacuum, that is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, now you have to find the velocity of light in that particular medium. So you know the formula mu is equal to c over v. Okay, from this formula we can write v is equal to c over mu. Substitute the values. So v is equal to, c is nothing but 3 into 10 power 8, and you know the refractive index value, that is 1.5. So finally you get 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, let us see question number 2. If refractive index of water is 4/3 and the refractive index of glass is 3/2, find the refractive index of glass with respect to water. This is nothing but a relative refractive index. Okay, see. Refractive index of water, that is mu w is equal to 4/3, and refractive index of glass, that is mu z is equal to 3/2. Find the refractive index of glass with respect to water. So relative refractive index mu is equal to refractive index of glass with respect to refractive index of water. So here refractive index of glass is 3/2 over 4/3. Then you get 9/8. This is the relative refractive index. Okay, question number 3. Speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Find the refractive index of glass. So you have only one value, that is speed of light in glass, v is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. We know the formula, that is mu is equal to c over v. Sir, how? With one value, how can you find the answer? Don't worry, here you know the value of c. C is constant, that is velocity of light in vacuum is constant, that is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So now refractive index mu is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 over velocity of light in medium, v is nothing but velocity of light in medium, that is 2 into 10 power 8. So here finally you get 1.5. This is the refractive index of glass. If you have any doubt, refer question number 1. There you have refractive index of glass. Okay, question number 4. The refractive indices of 4 media A, B, C and D are given in the following table. If light travels from one medium to another medium, in which case change in speed will be minimum and maximum. Okay, see, refractive index of A value is 1.33, B is 1.50, C is 1.52 and D is 2.40. Okay, now when the change in speed will be minimum, when the light ray is traveling from 1.50 to 1.52, that means B to C, when the light ray is traveling from B to C, change in speed will be minimum. Okay, because the refractive indices of those mediums are almost similar. If the refractive indices are same, then there is no deviation and there is no change in speed at all. Okay, next, change in speed will be maximum in which condition? That will be A to D, because there is a huge difference between the refractive indices of A and D. Due to this, the change in speed will be maximum. Okay, question number 5. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement in relation to the speed of light? Refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this? The velocity of light in vacuum is 2.42 times more than the speed of light in diamond. This is the meaning of that statement. Okay, question number 6. The speed of light in a transparent medium is 0.6 times that of its speed in vacuum. What is the refractive index of that medium? So you have to find refractive indices again. So mu is equal to C over V. You know the value of C. Here I am not writing the value of C. Okay, I am just replacing as it is, I am writing C. Okay, what is the value of velocity of the light in that medium? That is 0.6 times that of speed in vacuum. So this is nothing but 0.6 C. C gets cancelled. Then you will get 1 by 0.6, that is equal to 1.67. This is the refractive index of that medium. Question number 7. Define refractive indices of a transparent medium. What is its unit? Which has a higher refractive index, glass or water? Okay, define refractive index. Refractive index is nothing but it is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. What is its unit? It has no units. Okay, which has a higher refractive index, glass or water? Here glass has the highest refractive index. Okay, question number 8. Name a liquid whose mass density is less than that of water, but it is optically denser than water. Kerosene is optically denser than water. Okay, thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.